Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to show you guys how I clean and organize my kitchen refrigerator. About 2 days ago I went and I got groceries and just stuffed them in there. So the refrigerator is a mess. It is such a mess. It is dirty. It's dirty. This is going to be a little bit embarrassing to show you. But the refrigerator is dirty. It's crammed with new groceries that we bought and it really just needs to be organized. So I'm going to show you what containers I'm using to store everything in there to make it super simple and well organized so it doesn't look like a complete disaster. So let's get started. The yogurts in this container, and I think this is a good size. It's by Kitchen Bins, and all of those fit in there. This was not how I wanted it to fit, the cheese sticks. So I forgot that I bought 2 of these at TJ Maxx yesterday, and they are like a smaller size, and I got them for $3.99 a piece. So I'm going to move the cheese sticks over to this, and I like that a lot better.
If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can't we stay here forever? Forever. 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 As you sleep, you don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on.
So the 2 crisper drawers are empty right now, but those I will put my vegetables in one and the fruits in the other.
This moment, can we stay here forever? I'm loving
So I saved all of the vegetables and fruits for last to organize and to put back into the refrigerator because, like I said earlier in the video, we had gone and got our groceries a couple days before I filmed this, and so I just put them in the refrigerator, so they're still dirty, like all of the produce is dirty. So I am using a spray that I use. I spray the vegetables and the fruit, and then I wash them off, and then I'm prepping everything, cutting what I want cut, and then just storing stuff either in a bin or in plastic sandwich or storage bags, as well as bowls. And so I'm just prepping all of these because I am more likely to grab this stuff to eat or snack on, and so are the kids if it's already ready. And then it helps me out so much to where I can get the kids a snack without having to get it out and then prep it for them. So it's just really easy just to grab it and go.
This moment, can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
We're falling out, we've reached disaster. Don't know where we're gonna be after. And we do it all again and again and again and again. Again and again and again and again. We're falling down, we faded. But I know that we can save it. Cause we're like Alpha and Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me cleaning out and organizing our refrigerator and freezer. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, I would love to have you subscribe. It would help me out so much if you would click that button to subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!